I am making cake mix cookies. Yeah, these I'm making for Valentine's Day, but you could make them for any time. Spring, Easter would be a great time to do it also. I've got my pink cake mix and then my oil. And my egg, and my second egg. Okay, just going to get this mixed around really well. Okay, now for this one, I'm going to be adding chocolate chips. Now I'm using the dark chocolate chips, like a dark covered, chocolate covered cherry is what I'm thinking. Or I mean strawberry. Dark chocolate covered strawberry. That's what I was trying to say. I think that would be really tasty. More variations, Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2 on page 275 and 278 and 279. I don't know, there's 25 different variations on here. All right, I've got my new baking sheet I'm testing out, hopefully not warp. My old one's warped and I hated it. Okay, so put them on here. And then, just to make them a little bit more decorative, I'm going to push them down a little bit. And, oh my, oh dear, chocolate chips all over the place. Holy moly. Okay, so I'm going to just come in. Pick up my mess first. Yeah, I bet these would taste just like a chocolate covered strawberry. All right, now we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it at 350 degrees. You can click the QR code. All right, oh, don't those look delicious? So I took them out of the oven, let them sit about 10 minutes on the cookie tray to cool. And then I'm gonna put the next batch in and then we will taste test. Oh, that looks lovely, just lovely. I cooked these for about 14 minutes. I'm gonna put the next batch in and we'll taste test. All right, I have my cookie here. Ooh, that looks like just luscious. Let's take a bite. Mmm, that tastes like a chocolate covered strawberry. That is darn tootin' good. Oh, yum.